Hello, welcome to Accounting Yard YouTube channel, and today we'll be covering salary band. Now, how does this work? Now, salary band is a disclosure within your financial statement that usually stays in within your note on staff costs or personnel costs, as the case may be. This is disclosure, and this is what it looks like in a typical financial statement. We want to kind of replicate this number, and how can we derive it? Imagine if your HR team or someone within finance have produced a report like this, but you want to know how many employees fall within a particular band, right? That means anybody that earns between 1 million to 3 million should fall within this band, and it goes all the way down. How can this be achieved? We're going to make use of a function in Excel called frequency, right? How do we do that? I press come. First thing I do is highlight the cells where I want my answers to be. Press equal to frequency. That's the name of the function. Then what I want to count the number of times it occurs, right? I select that, comma, come back to the top, and I select this range where it does the check. So anything that falls between 1 million to 3 million, it puts it in this bracket, in this section. 1 million to 3 million, it places it here. 3 million to 5 million, it places it here, like that, all the way till you get to 3 million, right? I close my bracket. Instead of pressing enter like I normally do when I'm writing a regular Excel function, in this particular scenario, I'll press Ctrl, Shift, and enter. Now, because this particular function is called an array function or a CSV function, and the only way to work and give me the answer is if I press Ctrl, Shift, enter. So I hold Ctrl, Shift, and enter, and it gives me the answer. If you look at it, I have 46 total employees here. If I come here, I have 46. That confirms that what I've done is accurate and correct. I hope this makes sense to you. I look forward to seeing you more on this channel, and I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. Thank you for watching.